This storm is the perfect opportunity. If we take control of the energy storage, the entire city will plunge into chaos.
Let the storm sweep the cops away, and the rest will be ours.
This storm is so cool. We should go check it out.
Brilliant idea. Stand outside and let the wind carry you away.
Statistics show winds like this are very dangerous. We should stay here.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, man.
Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
Indeed. The door's wide open for us now.
Well, that little cub made things easier than expected. Thanks, little bear. Now let's finish the rest of this job.
It's dangerous for you to be out here. Come with me now.
I just wanted to see the storm, but I messed everything up.
They've made it inside. I need your help to keep them occupied while I handle the situation.
Stop right there! Stop! Stop!
No one can stop me. Not even you, Bear.
We won't let you get away with this.
Bear, behind you.
Catch them!
I've recorded everything. This will be a valuable lesson for the future.
Okay, done. You did well today, but remember, curiosity must come with responsibility.
Yes, sir. Next time, I'll ask you first. Or maybe just not at all.
Next time, try to mess things up a little less, little bear.
I've recorded everything. This will be a valuable lesson for the future.